replacement replacement 名词，代替、取代、更换。
The replacement parts for my car engine will not be available until next Thursday.
Surface surface 名词，表面、表层、外表。
The last step is to pour syrup on the cake to create a smooth surface.
Unstable unstable 形容词，不稳固的、不稳定的。
We should not hold the event during this season when the weather can be unstable.
Width width 名词，宽度。
The stove comes in a length just as the width of the counter.
Discard discard 动词，丢弃、扔掉。
Our job is to check items and discard those past their expiration date.
Recall recall 名词动词，召回、唤回。动词，回忆起、记得。
The company recalled 8 million vehicles in the past year for brake light problems.
Fragile fragile 形容词，脆弱的、易坏的。
Bubble wrap is commonly used as packing material for fragile cargo.
Quality quality 名词，品质。形容词，优质的。
The brand markets itself as offering high-quality products with low prices.
Spotless spotless 形容词，毫无瑕疵的，一尘不染的。
Each rental unit is spotless, with modern appliances and wood cabinets.
Differ differ 动词，不同，有区别。
The latest tablet computer differs greatly in appearance from the original one.
Measure measure 名词，措施。动词，测量。
The government announced emergency measures to control the spread of the virus.
Height height 名词，高度、身高。
The height and temperature of the seat can be easily adjusted with the button.
Defective defective 形容词，有瑕疵的，不完美的。
Keep all your receipts in the same place in case the product is defective.
Stain stain 名词，污渍、污点。动词，沾污。
Such stains can be removed with lukewarm water and detergent.
Precaution precaution 名词，预防措施。
Using equipment with high voltages can be safe if we take a few simple precautions.
Structure structure 名词，结构、构造。
The light but solid structure of the frame is a result of the special kind of coating.
Acceptable acceptable 形容词，合格的，可接受的。
Doris suggests having another meeting tomorrow. figuring out a solution acceptable to all.
Version Version 名词版本
Version 5.0 of the software will be available for download next Monday.
Smooth Smooth 形容词光滑的流畅的
Our technicians are provided with regular training to ensure smooth operations.
Random Random 形容词随机的
The company is planning to increase the frequency of random checks at the factories.
Length Length 名词长度
Make sure you measure the length accurately before buying replacement parts.
Durable Durable 形容词耐用的持久的
The newly designed chip helps conserve battery life and makes the laptop more durable.
Handmade Handmade 形容词手工制作的
The cafe on the corner features its handmade desserts prepared daily.
Gauge Gauge 动词测量判断名词测量仪器
The sensor in the pipe is used to gauge the amount of oxygen in the exhaust.
Fault Fault 名词缺陷过错过失
Many people believe fast food industry is at fault for the country's high obesity rates.
Wrinkle Wrinkle 名词皱纹皱褶
The dryer has a steam function to help get wrinkles on clothes out without an iron.
Edge Edge 名词边缘
The smartphone's curved edges make it more comfortable to hold than all the others.
Overhaul Overhaul 名词动词彻底检修彻底改革
The previous owner had the engine overhauled and the entire wiring replaced.
Loose Loose 形容词松弛的松动的
Some screws become loose and need to be tightened up regularly.
Miscellaneous Miscellaneous 形容词各种各样的混杂的
All components and miscellaneous tools are stored in the warehouse in the back.
Yo， 听到这个音乐就代表这期影片当中的30个多益必考单字算是复习完毕啦。还记得我们从 Ebbinghaus 的遗忘曲线中所得出来的结论吗？与其一次长时间死命的背很多单字，倒不如运用每天琐碎的时间观看影片，将复习中间间隔的时间缩短，观看次数的频率拉高，才能提高记忆单字的效率哦。那如果觉得影片内容对你有所帮助的话，也请帮我按赞、订阅、留言、分享，让 YouTube 演算法知道这是一支值得推广的影片。好，这期影片到此就算差不多啦。我是 Parker， 这是帕克英文，我们下期影片再见啦，拜。